students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshita Kale and today we will learn English. Come on students, let us begin our lesson. Subject is English of Standard First and name of the lesson is Toto the Hen. Dear students, here we are going to see a story of the Toto the Hen. Okay? Toto the Hen. Rahish had a pet. Rahish, the name of this boy. He had a pet. You know the meaning of pet. Pet means any animal or a bird that we keep with us. We take care of that animal. We give them food. We give them medical treatments if they are ill. Correct? So that is called pet. And we keep that animal in our house along with us. Got this to us? Like that, Rahish had a pet. What was that? It was a black hen. Got this? It was a black hen. See this? Okay. This picture I have taken from net, so it is a little brown. But it was a black hen which Rahish kept with him. Her name was Toto. What was her name? Her name was Toto. We keep name for our pet, isn't it? For dog, for cat, we keep our favorite name for that animal. Like that, this boy, that is Rahish, kept her name as Toto. Okay? Understood this? Rahish had a pet. It was a black hen. Her name was Toto. Toto lived in a coop. See, this is a coop. Coop means the house for hen. Okay? This is a house for hen and it is called as coop. C-O-O-P or C-O-O-P. Coop. Remember this word. Toto was very smart hen. This was a very smart hen. Got that? You know the meaning of smart, right? Toto was a very smart hen. Got this? Toto lived in a coop. Toto lived in a coop and Toto was a very smart hen. Next is Rahish used to give food to her every day. See here, he is giving food to Toto, right? Food means khana. Rahish used to give food to her every day. Every day means daily. Okay? And played with her. He always used to play with that hen, his pet. They became good friends because they played together, they eat together, right? When Toto laid an egg, you know that hens give us egg, isn't it? One day Toto laid an egg. Dear students, we have to use this word laid. L-A-I-D. Laid. Okay? For egg. When Toto laid an egg. Egg means you know anda, right? She used to to make a special sound, cock, cock, cock. When she laid an egg, she used to make a special sound, different sound. Okay, like cock, 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 like that. See what used to do? Then Rahish came out and fed Toto and took the egg for him. He used to eat that egg, right? And he used to feed that Toto and he took egg for himself. Got this? One night, Rahish was sleeping in the bed. At night, he was sleeping in his house on the bed. Okay? What happened then? He heard the special sound of Toto. Cock, 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 cock. He heard, so Rahish came out from the house. He got up and he came out from his house. Toto ran to Rahish and pecked his leg. See this? This Toto is pecking his leg. Means it wanted to say something to Rahish. Got this? Then Rahish looked around to see what happened. He saw all the sides. What happened? Why this Toto is pecking his leg? He surprised and he saw all around. Then he smelled something burning. He smelled something burning. Okay? Then, oh my God, the coop is on fire. He shouted. See, this coop is on fire. Fire means आग लगी है. Coop में आग लगी है. He shouted. The coop was in a mess. A burn हो रहा था, जल रहा था. Okay? So the Toto was making a sound like cock, 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 cock. Got this? And what happened? Rahish ran to the tap of water and took the pipe. Then he showered the water and put out the fire. What he made? He ran to the tap. This is tap, you know. He ran to the tap of water. He took the pipe. This is pipe, right? And then he showered the water on the coop and put out the fire. Here again we will read. Rahish ran to the tap of water and took the pipe. Then he showered the water and put out the fire. See, this Toto helped to put out the fire because Toto gave a signal that something is wrong happening. So this Rahish came out from the house and he saw that coop was burning. So he ran to the tap and he took the pipe and he showered water to put out the fire. Right? Then Rahish bent and picked up Toto. He became very happy, so he picked up Toto and he loved that Toto and said, "You smart hen, my dear friend, you have saved my farm," said Rahish. Toto happily replied to Rahish, "Cock, cock, 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 cock," like this. Because Toto also became happy and Rahish also became happy. So they thanked each other. This is all about the story that is Toto the hen. Got this, students? Look and say. Now dear students, here we will read some words. Okay? Say this. P-E-T, pet. P-E-T, pet. H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. W-E-N-T, went. W-E-N-T, went. C-O-O-P, coop. C-O-O-P, coop. L-I-V-E-D, lived. Say L-I-V-E-D, lived. Okay? E-V-E-R-Y, every, D-A-Y, day. So, E-V-E-R-Y, D-A-Y, every day. Okay? Next, S-H-O-U-T, shout. Chillana. Okay? S-H-O-U-T, shout. P-I-P-E, pipe. Water pipe. Okay? P-I-P-E, pipe. Next, S-M-A-R-T, smart. Again, S-M-A-R-T, smart. F-E-D, fed, khilana. F-E-D, fed. B-U-R-N-I-N-G, burning. B-U-R-N-I-N-G, burning. Jalna. T-A-P, tap. Say T-A-P, tap. E-double-G, egg. E-double-G, egg. You know the meaning, right? B-E-D, bed. B-E-D, bed. F-I-R-E, fire. F-I-R-E, fire, आग. F-A-R-M, farm. F-A-R-M, farm. Got this, students? Now you learn to read these words. These words are from our story Toto the hen. Okay? See dear students, here this is our lesson from the textbook, isn't it? You know this page, right? This is from our textbook Balabharati, right? Now here the question is, read the story and complete the following sentences. Here we have to read this story, and in our book some sentences are given. We have to complete that sentences. Okay, complete 5 sentences are there. Those sentences we have to complete. Here we will read once again here. Please follow me. Okay. Rahish had a pet. It was a black hen. Her name was Toto. Toto lived in a coop. Toto was a very smart hen. Rahish used to give food to her every day and played with her. They became good friends. When Toto laid an egg, she used to make a special sound, cock, cock, cock. Then Rahish came out and fed Toto and took the egg for him. One night, Rahish was sleeping in the bed. He heard Sunna. He heard the special sound of Toto. Cock, cock, cock. Rahish came out from the house. Toto ran to Rahish and pecked his leg. Rahish looked around to see what happened. He smelled something burning. Oh my God! The coop is on fire, he shouted. The coop was in a mess. Rahish ran to the tap of water and took the pipe. Then he showered the water and put out the fire. Then Rahish bent and picked up Toto. You smart hen! My dear friend, you have saved my farm, said Rahish. Toto happily replied to Rahish, cock, cock, cock. Got this, students? Now we read this story again. Now we will try to complete the given sentences. Okay? Now read the story and complete the following sentences. See first one. Toto was a dash hen. You know that Toto was a smart hen. Right? Like this we will fill the proper word in these following sentences. Okay? First one, Toto was a smart hen. Isn't it? Second, Rahish used to give dash to Toto. Rahish used to give food. Correct? Food to Toto. Next, Toto laid an dash. Egg. Right. Toto laid an egg. Toto happily replied to Rahish. What? How it makes sound? Cock, cock, cock. Isn't it? That you have to write here. Got this, students? Okay, again we will move to our text. Now this is our text, isn't it? Now the first one was, here it is, Toto was a very smart hen. This was the first sentence. Correct? Now whatever those sentences we filled, correct? Now they are in this text. Second one is, Rahish used to give dash to her every day. What? Food. Food to her every day. Isn't it? Third one, Toto laid and dash. Here only the answer is Toto laid an egg. Okay. And the last one is, here Toto happily replied to Rahish dash. What to write here? Toto happily replied to Rahish, cock, cock, cock. Got this, students? Yes. The answers are in the text, in this passage. Isn't it? Thank you, students. Please go through the lesson 1 or 2 times and try to learn the hard words. Okay? Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.